Today, I am gonna show you exactly how you can build a beautiful mobile application in just 30 minutes without any coding skills at all. And what is even better is that by the end of this video, I guarantee you to build your own mobile application idea from scratch and with the use of just one platform. Look to this beautiful mobile app interface that I built it based on idea that I have, and it is fully functional and preparing it to publish to Android and Apple stores. The mobile app consists about taking a picture of any food you eat during the day, and it will calculate its nutrition facts and save them to the recent meals. So you can see by the end of each day how many calories entered to your body, and same for fat, sugar, and so on. Building mobile applications was frustrating for end users like me and many of you as well, since we do not write code. But nowadays with AI coding, we can simply type a prompt and it will build out the app for us. Now, let me introduce you to the new platform Roar, an AI coding platform specifically focused on building native mobile apps. It is also available as an app on both Apple Store and Play Store. But before explaining the platform and its capabilities, let's find an idea that's worth to be transformed into a mobile application and then prepare a professional prompt to get the optimal result from Roar. If you already have a mobile application idea and you did all you research about it and you are sure that it's gonna be successful, you can move to the next step. But for those who don't have an idea and wish to find one, I have prepared for you a complete prompt where you can find it in the Google Drive link down in the description. This prompt can be used for any niche you want and any location or region you wish to launch your mobile application, with additional details that can provide you the optimal outcome you need from ChatGPT. I will take the prompt and fill in the needed information as an example, then paste it into ChatGPT to see the response. Look at this magical response from ChatGPT where all the job is done for us without having any market research experience, and with a feasibility study about the idea and the path to succeed. Take the whole response from ChatGPT and save it on your own device, because you may use it in the future when the mobile application becomes up and running in the market. After we prepared the idea, we still have one more step before start building the application, which is the preparation of the prompt for the platform to get an optimal application. This step is considered crucial because the more you give the platform details about the application, the more the outcome will be better. For this also, I have prepared a prompt that you will find it in the same Google Drive, and all you have to do is to copy and paste it into ChatGPT. And if you mention in the end of the prompt, I requested from ChatGPT to ask me about the app idea, so the prompt will be more accurate. After sending the first prompt, ChatGPT will ask me about the business idea. So all I have to do is to write my business idea, and here we go. We get the fully detailed prompt ready to start building our mobile app. I have never imagined that I will reach that step where I can build a mobile application without need of any coding skills. Here is the landing page of Roar where we will start building our mobile application. All you have to do is to register using any of your emails and you become ready to start. I will take the prompt that I got from ChatGPT and paste it in the prompt box in Roar and hit run. What is nice in this platform is that it shows you how the platform is thinking to build the mobile app and the stages that it is passing during the build. In addition, it provides you a phone frame to live the real experience as an end user while testing the application. I didn't even wait 5 minutes and the application becomes ready in its initial version. Look how professional is the design, and the exact requests that I put in the prompt are set properly in the application. So the power of a good prompt can shortcut the road for you for a better result. Now, you have two options. If you are satisfied from the result, you can start testing the application and its features either on your laptop or on your mobile phone if you have downloaded the Roar app on it. And if you are not satisfied from the result, you can ask for changes by putting your request in the text box on the left screen, and Roar will update the app accordingly. You can adjust the application as much as you want until you become satisfied from the result. Now, if you want to take the mobile app to the next level and publish it, Roar has it all, where you can hit publish in the top of the screen, enter your Apple account details, Play Store account details, and the platform will take care of the rest to make the mobile live for users in public. Another way to profit from Roar is by providing mobile application development as a service on the freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. So you create some applications, then register in freelance platform and showcase the application applications in the portfolio section and wait the order to come to apply the same steps explained in the video to generate a new application using Roar. I hope that today's platform can help you achieve your dream and have your own mobile application idea. And in the end of the video, don't forget to like the video if you find it beneficial, and make sure to subscribe and enable the notification bell to stay updated on the coming video ideas. See you in the next one.